Connecting an ECU to CANoe is easy if you know the right steps. Let's walk through it together. Hi, I'm Simon, Product Management Engineer at Vector. In this video, you'll see how to connect your ECU to a VN interface and CANoe step by step. We'll set up Ethernet and CAN and verify everything by seeing the first packets and messages live. In CANalyzer, the steps would be similar. Before connecting our ECU, let's prepare the computer. First, we need a CANoe license. If you don't have one or need a demo license, please contact sales@vector.com. Second, we download our CANoe version from vector.com/downloads. Last but not least, we need the drivers so the computer can talk to our VN interface. We go to vector.com/drivers and download the Vector driver setup. We open the downloaded CANoe installation package and install it. After installation, we open the Vector license client and activate our license on the computer. Licensing stuff is done. Perfect. Now let's install the Vector driver setup. We select our driver, in our case VN5620A, and click Install. Enough of the screen sharing. Let's get physical. We connect the VN interface via USB to our computer. Wait a few seconds and observe the power LED. A rapidly flashing LED indicates an update in progress. Wait until the power LED is solid green. To connect your ECU to the VN interface, please ensure you use the correct wiring. You can find the pinout at vector.com/vn-manuals. In the accessories manual, you will also find the pinout of all of our cables. Now, let's connect to the ECU. CAN and Ethernet go right into the VN interface. Physical connection is ready. Let's open the Vector Hardware Manager. This tool is used to configure all Vector hardware. In Edit mode, we go to Ethernet. We drag the port our ECU is connected to into the center area. We double-click the port and select the link speed and role. For example, if our ECU is 1000 base T1 master, set the VN port to 1000 base T1 slave. If you want to rename the Ethernet network here, you will also have to rename it in CANoe later. We click on Deploy on the top right. If the network LED lights up, the Ethernet connection is established. Well done. Now we start CANoe. In CANoe, we open an empty Ethernet configuration. Remember, our Ethernet network name is Ethernet 1, the same as we just configured in the Vector Hardware Manager. Perfect. Using the hardware ribbon in CANoe, we activate the physical hardware ports. This allows us to see Ethernet packets. Next, we add a CAN network. This increases the number of CAN channels in this configuration. We go back to the hardware ribbon, open channel mapping, and select the VN5620A for the corresponding CAN channels. Everything looks great. Ready for the measurement start? We press F9 or the yellow lightning icon on the top left to get going. Check the trace window to see both CAN and Ethernet messages. These are messages your ECU is sending. That's it. Your ECU is connected, Ethernet and CAN are running. From here, you can start analyzing communication, building remaining bus simulations, or creating your first tests. If you have questions about the video or would like to give feedback, please contact us at vector.com/toolsupport. We are happy to help. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, check out our playlist on CANoe and on network interfaces. Subscribe to our Vector Tech tutorial channel and hit the bell.